So in this short video, we're going to take a look at the Wyckoff spring and Wyckoff upthrust, which are two very useful patterns in trading and technical analysis. I really hope this video will provide some value, and without further ado, let's get started right away here. So before we take a look at some real life examples, let's take a look at some theory. Alright, so what is the Wyckoff spring and Wyckoff upthrust? Well, imagine that this right here is the price. It goes up and down, and is currently trading in a trading range. This right here is the resistance, and this right here is the support. Let me make myself a bit smaller. The concept of a Wyckoff spring and upthrust is actually pretty straightforward. Let's say that the price goes down here, it goes down to test the support, right? Here we have been seeing buyers coming in 1 time, 2 time, but this time the price actually falls below support. It falls below, but it quickly finds buying pressure and managed to reverse, get a strong reversal. So this move right here below the support level is actually what we call the Wyckoff spring. And this can actually be a very powerful pattern that you can trade. And it's, for example, involved in the failure test pattern. I have a video about that specific trading strategy. If you want to check it out, I can leave it up in the corner in the eye, I'm not really sure where. But the Wyckoff spring can offer a very nice trading opportunity, because when the support breaks here, and the price start to fall below the support, first of all, it's very possible that we have lots of trapped traders here. For example, we might have people going short when the price falls below the level here. And when the price starts to gain momentum again and start to push up, these traders that are short might have to cover their shorts, and that will actually build buying pressure, because they have to buy back the stocks they shorted. And also traders who are hesitant about the support level might start chasing the price when it regains this support level right here. And we also have traders trading the Wyckoff patterns that might help to build the pressure. Everything we talked about is true, but the opposite for the upthrust. So if the price goes up like this, it breaks resistance, but then selling pressure quickly comes in and push the price below the resistance once again. Excuse my ugly writing, but I hope you can see here and get the general picture here. And the same argument is of course true. Here we might have some trap traders that builds the selling pressure that comes from the upthrust. So now let's just quickly take a look at some examples. So right now, as we're speaking, we're looking at Tesla. We're looking at a 1 hour time frame. So every candlestick here represents 1 hour. And here you have a pretty nice example of a Wyckoff spring. You can see this candle right here. Tesla had a downtrend. We had a force towards the downside. We find some support right here. The price went up, but then we once again saw some selling pressure, and the sellers managed to push the price pretty far below the support level, right? However, the candle actually managed to close above the support line. And this is one important thing if you're using candlestick charts, which pretty much all traders are using. What you want to see, and what is a very good Wyckoff spring in my opinion, is that you want only the candlestick wick dipping below the support to quickly push the price up, and you want the candle to actually close above the support level. That is a good Wyckoff spring in my opinion. And it's pretty straightforward to set a stop loss. A clear stop loss here is that you enter when this candle confirms. You set the stop loss just below the low of the wick, right? So just below this point right here, and then depending on your trading style, you will have different profit targets. But that is an example of a spring. Let's see, I think I had an example. So yes, here we have an example of an upthrust instead. You can see Tesla, this is the same 1 hour chart, but here Tesla pushed the price up. We found some resistance. You can see resistance right here. We went down, we went up to test this level once again. And here, let's zoom in a bit here. Here you can see the beautiful Wyckoff upthrust we had right here. The candle pushed the price above the resistance, but managed to close the candle below the resistance. So this right here is an upthrust, and it's pretty easy to set your short here. You set the short like this. You have your stop loss just above the high of the candle, and then your profit target will depend on your style of trading. And here we can actually see, if we look a bit more left, we can see that we pretty much had another test of the support, and then yet another upthrust, which actually led to yet another push towards the downside. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you feel like you got any kind of help or value, then please consider dropping a like. And if you guys are interested in more, then don't hesitate to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I hope I will see you guys in the next video. But for now guys, take care. Ciao ciao.